We're the Manahans, and this is Kopacetic Beer Factory and the Scoreboard in Monticello, Indiana. The Scoreboard was opened in 2012, and I was a commercial brewer at the time. When my family and I moved back to Monticello, we decided to open a brewery and move the Scoreboard to this new location. We're located in a 100-year-old repurposed highway department garage that paired very well with both the Scoreboard and the beer factory. The environment brings a different level of ambiance that most places don't offer. We have a great family side. It's also for beer seekers, people that are looking for locally handcrafted beer. Kopacetic is a word that my grandfather used all the time. It's an older word, but it means it's all good. Everything's good. It's all Kopacetic. So we went with the name Kopacetic because we want the environment to be all good and comfortable for everybody. Here at Kopacetic, we have a full bar, including beers that we make in-house. All the products that we serve are only made in Indiana. Our menu is very family-friendly, pub food. Everything is designed to go perfect with sodas and beer. Here at the Scoreboard at Kopacetic, we serve super cheesy pub pizzas, jumbo wings, and hand-cut and formed burgers. Our location is a must-try because the food is family-friendly, it's pocket-friendly, and the environment is very welcoming. The Scoreboard at Kopacetic is located in Monticello, just off the bridge. We're open Wednesday through Friday, 4 to 9 p.m., and Saturday, Sunday, noon to 9. And remember,
it's all Kopacetic.